Greetings everybody, hope you all good. So welcome back to another video. So this is a review of the Samsung HW-B650F soundbar in 2026. In this review, I would just like to share my experience with the Samsung soundbar, the HW-B650F. So I paired my soundbar to the SWA-9250S rear speakers. So my soundbar is no more 3.1 channel, it's now 5.1 channel. So I would be doing the sound check or a sound check in this video, and then nothing much, just a matter of just hearing how it actually sounds and if it's any better compared to a standard 3.1 channel soundbar, or in fact when it's just stock without any rear speakers.
They can't believe what it will play Steve. Mitozika baby mama not to Ish Mara life in you somehow. You intend to link with the Rondi, but what you're a sundown. A bomb rapper.
So what's my take on this soundbar? So my honest opinion, it sounds great. I feel like I'm in the center of I feel like I'm in a concert, because I can hear sound playing from the rear, I can hear sound from the front. So I feel like I'm in the center of the audio. So it's really nice, especially considering that it also has a dedicated center channel. My honest opinion on this soundbar as a 5.1 channel, I would say that it's really nice. I feel like I'm in the center of a music scene, or in fact a concert. Even when I watch movies, I can hear dialogue clearly, since there's also sound separation. What I mean by that is that there's a center channel or dedicated center channel on the soundbar. So audio is coming from all around, but then voices are coming from the center channel. You know, it can get really loud. The bass, I mean, according to JBL standards, it's not really to that level, but you know, from my seated position when I'm playing loud music, or in fact music on volume 30, even to 40, I can even hear my couches vibrate. You know, it's a really nice sensation. It's really nice. As we say in South Africa, it's a lekker sound. It's lekker. You really do enjoy it. Definitely not a waste of money. It's worth it. It's worth it. In terms of the money or the value, I feel like it's also worth it as well. It's not overrated. It's not underrated. I feel like it's just perfect bang for buck. It's a nice soundbar. It's a nice system. Who is it for? I would say it's for someone who just likes to listen to music casually. Not for high audiophiles. So if you really are into detailed, sound, you want to hear every single instrument, separations and all that, I would suggest you go to maybe the Q series soundbars, your Q990Fs, I think it's 11.1.4 channel. Yeah, I think stuff like that, or in fact, such soundbars are best for audiophiles. But for people like me, just general, music listening, your everyday TV, I feel it's sufficient. It does its job very well. It does its job very well. As for the rear speakers, I don't think they overwhelm you with sound. It's good. It's a good sound. If you feel like the volume is too low, you can always increase it using your soundbar remote. There's a video that I also posted, I think a few months ago. You can check the link up there after purchasing my SWA-9250S rear speakers, as to how do you set them up and all that. Yeah, they really do sound nice. You don't really hear any distortion from the soundbar or from the rears. The bass, like I said, it's punchy, it's nice, it's worth it. I don't have any regrets. Do I see myself upgrading in the foreseeable future? Maybe. One thing that I want to do is that I want to purchase a Samsung TV. Definitely wanna experience the Q Symphony feature as well. I wanna actually hear how it actually sounds. The OTS object tracking system, or is it sound? I can't remember what does OTS stand for, but it's something like that, whereby you can actually how can I say, the TV actually calibrates or actually follows the sound on the screen. As it moves, it also moves with the image or with the pictures. Yeah, so it's something that I also want to experience. Yeah, so my take, go for it, you won't regret. Absolutely a beast. Definitely.
Couple of days, it's been a couple of days. You can blame me on the alcohol. Man, I woke up with a different lipo pie. Lipo pie. Lipo pie. Lipo pie. Now we going round and round. She see people way. My way away. Bless the Gucci now. Like Gucci the Gucci. Lipo pie. Lipo pie. Lipo pie. Chala juari rinari jura ko sako di saipe. Mambo paya chiswika achila pasiri na raswepe. We are live in a building. Who are you kidding? You're not allowed. But you thought that could black and yana rinari sako basaipe. Chalanga zaza na tanda zonsa chizura chimakole. Pesa chinayo kena chofara charivura nilvande. Marageka na bilibes chidaba chikortanze.